Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Tony's Phone Collection. Today we're going to be drop testing this Motorola Krzr K1. This one, the ribbon cable is damaged, and I'm not even going to worry about fixing it. I did take the screen off of it, so this one has a little crack in it, but nothing too bad. So let's go and start with the backdrop. In 3, 2, 1. It looks like the battery clip broke out of it, maybe. Oh no, I broke the side button. I'm gonna put that piece in my pocket. And damages from that, can't really tell, really. It's pretty good. Let's go and do the corner drop. In 3, 2, 1. And you kind of see where it hit down here on this side, possibly. Let's go and do a drop like this with the. We'll do a back drop with the hinge open. In 3, 2, 1. So it looks like it just hit on this little bezel around here. Not a whole lot of damage. Let's go and do the open face drop. In 3, 2, 1. Looks like up here it hit, and down here. Let's go and do a face drop and see if we can crack this front glass. In 3, 2, 1. I bet it shattered. Yeah, look at that. Completely shattered. So let's go and do the throw drop. In 3, 2, 1. Alrighty. Picking it up. Not exactly sure where it hit. Maybe on the front. I think it hit the front. Pretty good little drop test on this thing. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one.